Okay, one more task done. Now we have two batteries, as you can see here. Okay, two batteries of 12 volts, 100 amperes, lithium battery. I just bought this one, and we had that one. I connected parallel, black on black, red on red. I found out why this thing was beeping. There was a little wire connecting those two ports. That was causing the problem. So it's connected, charging everything. And I needed to make bigger holes in the connector of those cables because one was smaller than we need, but seems connected. I just can't tell because I don't know how it works. Well, I mean, I don't have the display to show me what is the percentage, so I don't know how to measure it. That's it, done. What? The new battery let the water pump works perfectly without resetting the inverter, and I can fill in the tank at once in like 8 seconds, and I can have a full shower because the batteries now can stand it and the light's still working. So it was battery missing and now we have it. Oh my god, that's so awesome. And it's dark, there is no like solar working, it's just the batteries. So it's gonna fucking work. The new adjustment, the new enhancement in the solar panel, two batteries, 100 milliampere, 100 amperes, 12 volts work. DIY tiny home shipping container in the Caribbean. Learn how to do it. Go off grid. Love you. So after installing the new battery with the system that Alan set here, just one extra battery, whatever we have here, and that huge pump, I took a 30-40 minutes shower. I washed all my clothes. The water pump reloaded, I think like 3-4 times. I had a really warm shower. I washed all my clothes. I have light and I have the AC on. Alan, I think it's working. Maybe? I think we are off grid. Hell yeah! DIY Caribbean tiny home shipping container. We nailed it! Subscribe, watch it. We're gonna teach you how to do it. Papa, I love you. Alan, brother, I love you. Guys, this is an adventure. This is beautiful. New battery working!